Welcome to the powerful world of EVO. The self-service systems from Kiba offer a rethinking of the old structure and a major step towards the future. The EVO Cash Recycler in the foyer of this branch offers customers the opportunity to carry out cash transactions, such as deposits, around the clock. The devices free your employees from time-consuming standard transactions, such as cash withdrawals. Modern bank branches put their customers at the center of attention. Feel-good atmosphere instead of hierarchical counterstructures change the layout of the branch. The cash recyclers of the EVO series adapt seamlessly to this. Important for the customer experience are competent personal advice and the rapid processing of standard transactions on the EVO series ATMs. The design of the EVO series fits perfectly into modern branches and integrates seamlessly into new architectures. Whether it is accessible with a wheelchair and walker, installed in a welcome desk, or integrated into a glass wall, EVO offers maximum flexibility in branch design for today, tomorrow and beyond. Future-proof, easy to use, flexible,